was this big rack, and it had all these little snow boots on them. Look at the cute ones I found with the butterflies. They have ones with little peace signs. They had these cute little silver ones and gold ones, and they have chocolate and black and tan, and we got this whole shelf full of boots, and I am not joking. They gave them to me for 47 cents each. I got 30 pairs of shoes for $15. I cleared off the whole rack. I even asked them if they had any more in the back. I'm gonna go to all the Old Navies and find these. I think I wanted to save these for Christmas and make like a little present for the kids, but I think I'm gonna give them to the Kaulitis house also. They would do a really great job down there, and if you want to take anything, they have about 22 families, right? 22 kids there right now, and about 30 families. And so if you wanted to take anything down there, give me a call, 303-870-7337, and I'll hook you up. Can't really tell the address of where this place is at out in public, so we won't be able to do the whole entire delivery either for confidentiality problems. But anyways, so that's what we got. We got all these cute